preparing a lecture on nanochemistry while eating apricot, that is khobani. The scientific name of khobani is Prunus armeniaca. It has two parts. One is outer covering and another is inner covering, inner seed. The another fruit which is on my table is apple, which is very fresh one. The fresh apricot is available in Gilgit-Baltistan. Apricot has lot of benefits. It's beneficial for heart and digestive system, as it is a rich source of insoluble dietary fibers which breaks down the fatty acids and helps the digestive system. It has high antioxidants, promote eye health, skin, and many more. It has very beneficial phytochemical. The researchers find out that it has lot of vitamins. Apricot has lot of vitamins, carotenoids, and polyphenols. The fresh apricots now available in Gilgit-Baltistan. I am enjoying apricots and apples while preparing my lecture on nanochemistry. Kindly subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thank you very much.